I only washed this car 4 weeks ago, but after that big freeze that we had, I'm pretty sure this is the dirtiest on the exterior that this car's ever been. Let's have a look at it and let's get it cleaned. The big freeze is over. The chance of the wash water icing up on the drive and making people fall over is gone for the time being. So now seems like a really good time to get all that road salt back off the car and get it looking nice and clean again. Like I mentioned, this is the dirtiest that this car's been in my ownership. Today's going to be a little bit of an autoglanz bonanza with the new MJJC Lance Applied shampoo flung in there. So as always, to start off with, we've got the autoglanz Rebound. This is a firm favourite of mine for cleaning the tyres. It does an absolutely excellent job, and to be honest, I don't really see me using any other products in the near future. Next up, for the alloy wheels themselves, I'm using their Bleeding Wheel Cleaner. I know some people don't like it, but this only cost me £6, so I thought it was worth a try. I'm about halfway through the bottle and I'm still a little bit undecided on it at the moment, but I'm sure a full review will be coming in the near future. And then I've got some Garage Therapy car shampoo in the wash bucket just to give a little bit extra lubrication while the wheel cleaner's going to work. In the time that I've been using this wheel cleaner, I've not really noticed much of a reaction for a reactive wheel cleaner. That could easily be because there's not that much fallout on the wheels themselves, so it's not reacting with any iron oxide. So I thought instead of giving the wheels a pre-rinse, I would just go in straight off, and we can see that there is a bit of a reaction going on there. To start this wash off, I'm going to give the car a pre-rinse, as it is very dirty and I want to get as much of the road grime and contamination off before I start going in with the chemicals. So I'll give the car a pre-rinse and then I'll apply my autoglanz Brute. But they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good. I'm then going to leave this to dwell for 5 minutes before applying the autoglanz snow foam over the top. Essentially just to give that pre-wash a little bit more time to go to work, because the car is quite dirty. Even although it's been pre-rinsed, there is still a lot of traffic film built up on it, so this should give a good additional 10 minutes worth of dwell time.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm sorry. As I'm rinsing off, I can see some of the hydrophobic properties coming back from the previous protection that was applied, giving a good indication that a lot of that traffic film has been removed.
and gives me the confidence to go in with my contact wash. For that contact wash, I'm going to be using the new MJJC shampoo, which is designed to be applied via a snow foam lance, and of course I'm going to use the MJJC snow foam lance. This is the first time that I've used it, so it was a little bit of a weird process because it was coming out extremely thick. Diluted it 50ml to 450ml of water, and then any excess that I had I just sprayed into the wash bucket. I'm going with a 1 bucket method for this, and I'll see how I get on, but again I will be doing a full review on this product in the future. Being so used to using the 2 bucket wash method, I'm still not quite got my head around this, what I would call it, American style way to apply shampoo to a car. But in this instance, my initial findings are that the shampoo was definitely slick enough. It glided over the car with absolute ease, and as you'll see when we come to rinse off, those areas where there was still some traffic film left over, the hydrophobic properties are definitely starting to come back, which would indicate that it's cleaned very well. Now that I'm happy that the car's clean, moving on to my LSP, which is your last stage protection. And as the previous protection, which is the Blitz Detail and Ceramic Quick Detailer, seems to be holding up quite well, the plan is just to top it up with the Aqua Seal, which is a spray-on rinse-off sealant, very similar to G-on wet coat style. All you need to do is get a wet panel, spray it on. I like to give it a little minute and then give it a good rinse off, and you want to be thoroughly rinsing the car off. And you can see just how well this is performing, with the hydrophobic properties coming right back to the paint, with the water just gliding off it with absolute ease. Very simple just to blast around the car with this, and this for me is an ideal winter protection. It's quick and easy and is exactly what you want when you're out washing your car in these winter months. Finish off by getting the car dried up, and at this point I would just like to say a massive thank you for watching. Thanks for the support throughout the year. If you can hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next?